Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Karela full guide. Begin by washing and slicing Karela, then salt and set aside to draw out moisture. While it rests, chop onions and tomatoes and mix spices. Heat oil until shimmering, then fry the sliced Karela until golden and crisp. Combine with sautéed onions, tomatoes, and a pinch of jaggery and tamarind to balance bitterness, then simmer briefly and serve warm. Start by slicing the Karela to your preferred thickness and salt it evenly to draw out moisture and bitterness. Let the salted slices rest for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse and squeeze gently to remove excess water. Dry the slices thoroughly with a cloth to avoid oil splatter. Heat oil in a pan and fry the slices in batches until they are crisp and golden, then set aside for the masala. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a concise book that can change how you think about money, perfect for anyone saving for a home or travel fund. I love how it simplifies choices like budgeting versus investing, and it pairs nicely with cooking savings tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil in a pan and add cumin and mustard seeds until they sputter, releasing aroma. Add sliced onions and sauté gently until translucent, then stir in tomatoes and cook until soft. Mix turmeric, coriander, and red chili into the masala, then fold in the fried Karela slices. Adjust flavor with jaggery and tamarind for a balanced sweet and sour finish. Simmer briefly so the Karela soaks up the masala, then serve hot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.